Need to get cash to someone quickly, even if they don't have a bank account? Worldremit's cash pickup option is your answer. Let's walk through how to send money for cash pickup, step by step. First, head over to worldremit.com or open the Worldremit app on your phone. You'll start by selecting the country you want to send money to. This is super important, as the available pickup locations depend on the destination. Now, in the sending method section, choose cash pickup. This tells Worldremit that you want the recipient to grab the money in person. Worldremit will then show you the available partner locations for cash pickup in that country. This could be banks, money transfer agencies, or other retailers. Choose the most convenient one for your recipient. Next up, enter your recipient's details exactly as they appear on their governmentist ID. This is vital for them to successfully collect the cash. Double-check the spelling. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Worldremit will show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Select your preferred payment method: Euro debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Before finalizing, review all the details carefully. Make sure the recipient's name, the pickup location, and the amount are all correct. Once you're happy, confirm the transfer. You'll receive a confirmation with a reference number. Share this reference number with the recipient. They'll need it, along with their ID, to collect the cash. And that's it. Your recipient can now head to the chosen pickup location with their ID and the reference number to collect their money. Easy peasy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.